Yo, and we're back with another video today. We got the Miata in the back here. This is the finale of the trifecta of lighting mods that we've been doing to the Miata so far. So first we went ahead and took care of the Winky Eye mod for the Miata. Such a sick mod. I think if you have an NA Miata with pop-up headlights, this is definitely a mod that you should consider, especially if you plan on going sleepy eye or just having a fun mod that you can use to play around with your lights with. Secondly, we went ahead and took care of the taillights. The taillights were looking all dingy and dusty, so we went ahead and replaced them with these Carbon Miata sequential taillights. Look super sick when you're using your turn signal, you have your hazards on. The lights are actually sequential, so it looks super smooth and super sleek. I'm in love with the way these lights look. And finally, you might be asking yourself, what is the finale of this trifecta of lighting mods that we're doing? Well, I mean, you could probably already tell by the title of the video. But we do have those turn signals straight from Carbon Miata. Super, super sick. They are sequential. They look dope. You know, honestly, can't wait to see how this car looks with these on there. It is a little bit hard to tell because it is daylight. It's the middle of the day. This one on the left here is not working. It just stopped working a few days ago. I'm not sure if it is a loose connection or if it's just the bulb that needs to be replaced. But either way, let's rip these lights out and see what the issue is. Alright, so I just went ahead and took these lights out of here, the turn signals, and it does appear that this bulb right here did go out on us. The bulb is really, really cloudy, and it went out because if you look at the other one still functions correctly as it should, and it's transparent. I do want to show you guys the new lights that we do have here, straight from Carbon Miata. We pull it out of the box here and show you guys what they look like and how they'll look when they're fully installed. So yeah, here we go. Here's one of the turn signals. This is for the driver's side. So let's just go ahead and throw these in there and see how it should look. Bitch, give me walk, inside the drop top, bitch got a crop top, I'll take a T-top. Yeah, go in every time, I ain't this side. I'm a fan, no, I won't. We got our boy X here, master electrician. So when we wired it, we had it wired up to the old turn signals. So we had to unwire it and get it rewired back to these new ones, so that way both the headlights and the turn signals will function. So all we need to do is hook up the battery and see how they look. Rip that little film off.
We got London on the track.
What'd you think, bro? Yeah, it's right in the middle.
I'm in London, got my beef from London.
Yeah, Californicating, had to relocate. Girl, you might find
good, bro. Looking good. Let's go.
Running them bands on, ayy. Going to Japan, I'm on the way. Surf, I'm on the way. Get Merc, if he in the way. For sure, fuck nigga, I don't play. Especially about this money chase.
Yo, there it is with the sleepy eye.
Big box full of money with a heart full of pain.
So much better.
Hey, bro, I appreciate your help, man. Sheesh, bro, that was
right. You think it's a dope life, but it come with a bad side. When everybody switch sides, you know what it feels like. To wonder if they real, to wonder if you real.
Thank you guys so much for watching. The lights look amazing. They're all installed now. We got the Winky mod, we got the tail lights, now we have the turn signals. The car is really coming together now. Next up, we're gonna put some wheels and lower this car because, I mean, it's long overdue. Please leave a like if you guys did enjoy the video and make sure you subscribe to keep up to date on the current process with the Miata. Other than that, guys, I really appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one.
Walking them down on legit. I'm trying to get to that bag, take care of my mama, take care of my bitch. When I be shopping at Saks, I don't even look, just give me that shit. I'm finna get in that bag, I put on my mask, and hit me a lick. Y'all niggas going outside.